We got Kenny here. This is my neighbor. We got Isaac, Caden, Omar, Zane. You guys are enjoying the new pool, huh? Summer. This is the first day of summer. Nobody's going to drown in my pool. That's all I care about. It's just the first day of summer. I'm going to get some more water toys so you got stuff to play with. They're going crazy, aren't they? Yeah, well, I'm videotaping. Let's see, an hour. I was on the phone like an hour. I was on the phone an hour today with Mumbai. Oh, no language. I was on the phone 1 hour with the Philippines today to get the computer to work today. I paid for Norton and they finally got it working. Right, Zane? Zane, did we get the computer working or what? Did we finally get the computer working? My genius son. That you? I don't know what I'd do, Zane. I put a lot on him. He's only 11, but he's so smart. I can't do a lot, and he does a lot. He actually got the computer working the other day for me. Oh, look at them heads. You don't have a computer, a phone that videotape? So, what's today, Zane? The first day of summer? They're all having... Get in the pool! Oh, and you're about to have a little sister soon. Oh no, that's her. They're going to have a sister. I wish I was having a girl. Damn, I'd love to get a girl. That's broken. I found 3 holes in that. I was about to... I only have that one mat. I'm going to get more. I actually have some in the garage. I'll get. Let me go see.